Hello guys, take a look at these animations right here. What if I told you that these animations were created with the help of a very cool AI tool right now called the RunwayML? And in this video right here, I'm going to walk you through how you could go on to creating such kind of cool animations with the help of this platform right here called RunwayML, and go on to making some cool kind of videos right there to make some cool cash online right now. And if you're new to my channel guys, OJ Marketing, I create videos on ways you could make money online, and if you like such content, scroll through my channel. There are a lot of videos that could help you out right there in boosting your income. Also guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel right here, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you boost your income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today right now. So basically guys, if you don't know about this platform called RunwayML, this is a very cool platform that you can actually use to go on to advancing your creativity with the help of artificial intelligence. This is a platform that can actually help you go on to animating your videos or your images right there. So you just need to get an image and you can actually go on to animating that right there. You could also go on to creating some cool animation from scratch with the help of this platform right here. As you can see right here, this is actually a generation 2 AI. It's a gen 1 AI. You can actually do the text to image. You can actually go on to creating images from another image. You can actually do the infinite image, the in painting, frame interpolation, custom AI training, and a lot more right here. As you can see right here, these are actually some cool stuff related to this particular AI tool. You can actually come right here, go on to clicking on pricing, and you'll be able to see the pricing structure of this AI tool. Although you actually have a free account guys, there are actually some paid plans to this particular platform. So you can actually see the plans right here available for this platform, which are the basic plan, the standard, the pro, the unlimited, and the enterprise account. And you can actually see the features right here of each and every one of the plans right now. So just simply take a look at them, and that will actually enable you in selecting which plan to actually go for on this platform. And if you do go on to sign up for an account, you should be brought to a page such as this. So what I'm going to be focusing on right here in this video is to go on to showing you how you could create such kinds of animations, which you actually saw earlier right there in this particular video. And you can actually do that right here with this image to image. You can actually start animating from a single image right there. You can start with text right here if you actually do want to. Maybe if you want to just simply convert a text to a video, you can do that right now. You could just simply click on start with text, and right here guys, you could just simply go on to creating any kind of image which you actually want right here. As you can see, all these images were actually created with the help of this AI tool. All you need to do right now is to actually go on to inserting your text right here, which you want to just simply describe the AI tool, which you want to just simply, or the kind of image you want to just simply go on to generating, and this AI is actually going to help you create that kind of image. You can see right here for this image right here, or for this particular video right now, you can actually see right here that this was actually the prompt that was actually created with the help of this video. You can see right here it says a sunset over a field of crop with sun shining through the clouds and the sun shining through. And you can actually see how cool this actually looks like. You can see right here, these are actually the prompts which was used for this particular stuff right here. So suppose I want to create something similar to this, maybe I can actually just go on to asking ChatGPT to give me a description of a cartoon character or of a cartoon scene. So right here, I asked ChatGPT to generate a description of a cartoon scene about a young girl, and ChatGPT has actually gone on to writing some cool story right here. So basically what I'm going to do is to just simply copy the first scene right here and actually head back to this particular AI tool. What I'm going to do right now is to just simply paste in that right here, and you can see right here I can just simply go on to clicking on generate right here, and it's actually going to go on to generating about 4 videos for me right here. As you can see, my video is actually generating and it will be done in a few minutes right now. And you can see right here, this is actually the aspect ratio to which the video will actually come in, and you can actually go on to checking that out. So I'm just going to pause this video right here till this generation process is actually completed. So guys, take a look at this video right here that was just created right now. So what I'm going to do is to click on play, and you can actually see the video that was created for me with the help of this AI tool, just by giving it a simple description right now. So this is actually quite a cool kind of video right now. right here. So what you can do right here is just simply click on this right here. You can just simply go on to downloading the video by clicking on this download icon right here. So if I do click on download right now, guys, the video will actually get downloaded on my device right here. As you can see, the downloading is actually in progress right here. So basically, guys, you can actually go on to creating your videos with the help of giving it a cool description right here. You could actually set more details about the video right here, the style which you want to use, the motion brush, and actually camera motion and all that right there. You could also go into creating your videos from an image right now, and you can actually go into creating images and converting your image to a video right here. You can utilize platforms like Midjourney right here to create images and cool images right here. You could also use Blue Willow or the Leonardo AI right now. These are all powerful tools you can use to go into creating some cool kind of images. Maybe if I'm using the Leonardo AI right here, as you can see, all these are actually images generated with the help of Leonardo AI. Maybe I want to utilize this one right here. I'm just going to click on this right now, and I can actually go on to downloading this image right here. So if I do come right here to this section, I can just simply click on download, and the image will actually go on to being downloaded on my device right now. And guys, you can take a look at this right here. This is actually the prompt that was actually used to create this image right here. So once I've been able to download this, maybe if I'm not actually seeing what I want, I can come onto this image generation right here and go on to giving it a cool description right now of the kind of image I want to generate before clicking on generate. And take a look at this. These are images I've generated with the help of this particular AI. All these are actually images I created right here with the help of this AI tool. So you can actually go on to creating similar kind of images too right now. So once you actually download an image, come onto the RunwayML right here, and you want to just simply go on to uploading that image via clicking on this upload file right now and select the image from your device. If you do that right here, the image is going to be uploaded, and it's actually going to go on to animating that image right here for you. So I'm going to pause the video until that has actually been done. So guys, take a look at this right here. The video generation is actually complete, and this is the video right here, and look how cool it actually looks like right now. This is how cool the video actually goes on to looking right here. So you can just simply download the video and utilize this for any purpose of your choice. So basically, that's how cool this AI is right now. Maybe you can actually go on to utilizing that for kind of YouTube videos, adding some cool subtitle or background voice over to the videos right there. You can actually create multiple videos and merge that using a very cool editor tool, create some kind of cool and amazing story, and actually utilize short videos to actually portray the story and go on to uploading that on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and so on, and use that to get engagement and also make money with that. So basically, that's how cool this actually is right here. And guys, if you do like this video, why not just simply leave a like button to the video. You can also make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and your notification bell is always turned on all, so that you do get alerted whenever I release some cool videos that could help you make extra income online. If that has actually been of help to you, do this right now. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video, guys, and goodbye.